Welcome to Tech with Pages. In today's episode, I will guide you through how to use the IC Wealth to invest in stocks. To start, you will need to download the app. So you visit your App Store or Play Store, then you search for IC Wealth. When you see it, you click on it and press download to get it onto your phone. After successfully installing the app, it will take you to this interface. So here, when you get here, it's either you are registering or you are logging in if you're a first-time user. I have already created the account. In creating the account, it's not difficult. They will only need your first name, last name, email address, your phone number, and a secure password. So in registering, it's not difficult. So after registering, you have to log on. So you click on login, then you log in into your dashboard. Now, when you get to your dashboard, we have three parts. The first part, which is the total holdings, which shows you the amount of money you have with them. Then you have your trade life portfolio. That is when you buy shares or stocks. That's where it will be kept. Then we have the IC Liquidity Fund. With the IC Liquidity Fund, we will talk about it later. But for today, in this presentation, we will be discussing only the trade life portfolio. Now, note this. When you create your account, it will not be active for you to buy stocks. Okay, it will take a while. You will need something we call CSD account, which is Central Security Depository. Now, this account is basically like a safe digital wallet for your shares. So instead of carrying around paper certificate, everything is kept electronically on your phone or computer. So here in Ghana, we have the CSD, okay? So when you create IC Wealth account, you will need that CSD account as well. So their job is to safely keep records of your shares, both locally and internationally, okay? That's the work of the CSD. Now with IC Wealth, it takes about a month or two to create this CSD account for you. But if you purchase the MTN shares when it came, then by default, if you register with the same phone number, your account will be active for you to buy stocks. So to buy stocks, the first thing we need to do is to deposit money into our account, okay? So you click on this button, invest. Then you select the portfolio, trade life, which we said is about stocks, and the IC Liquidity Fund. Okay, this land here is account I created on the IC Liquidity Fund, which we said we will discuss it later. So you select your trade life portfolio. Then the payment type. Are you using MasterCard or Visa, Vodafone Cash or MTN Mobile Money? Then you select. Then you type in the amount you want to deposit. Then you select your phone number from this box. Okay, then you click on submit. A notification will be sent to your phone. Then you enter your PIN and the amount will be deposited in your IC Wealth app. Now, when you have it, you will click on the Trade Live button at the bottom of your app. You will see a lot of stocks in here, which you can buy from, okay? We also have the fixed income button here, which is if you want to buy treasury bill and other things. Okay, so we will talk about these T-bills some other time. Now, we want equities. We want to buy shares in stocks, companies. So here, you search for the stock you want to buy. Before you buy a stock, you need to make sure that you understand what you are doing. You understand the money you are investing, and you understand the company you are investing in. We will learn all those things. So let's say I want to buy this company, which is selling a share for 0.5 Ghana cedis. So that is 50 pesos. Okay, so if you have 1 cedi, it means you will get 2 shares of this company. The market is closed, but still we can buy. So to buy, You click on buy. Now the available funds here will be the amount you deposited in your IC Worth account. So you type the quantity you need. So if you need 2, you type it. 2 will be 1 cedi. If it is 0.5, so 2 is, as I said, 1 cedi, and they are charging 0.03 Ghana cedis. So your estimated consideration will be 1 cedi, 13 pesos. Okay, so you click on this button to place your order, and it will be submitted. It says order submitted successfully. It will take 3 days for it to be successful. Okay, after that 3 days or 4, it will appear in your portfolio. That is only if it is accepted by the GSE, Ghana Stock Exchange. If it is your trade is accepted, then it will appear in your portfolio. That's how we use this app to invest. Thank you.